Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Now, insofar as delimitation is concerned, there is no challenge basically to the delimitation. All these petitions basically concerns reservation and rotation of reservation, and the issue of delimitation is not there. There are certain class of petitions where the provisions of the Municipalities Act have been challenged, but those are on a different footing altogether. One petition challenges one provision of the Municipalities Act, which says that the delimitation, which was earlier based on population, now it is based on the voters. So that is a challenge to the main section of the Municipalities Act. That is an independent case. There is another petition where they have said that 7 days which has been made for the purpose of issuing a reservation policy and the date of the notification of election, that has been challenged. So those are two petitions which are basically challenging the constitutional virus of the Municipalities Act.
राखीवतेचो व्यवस्थेप्रमाण विचार करिनासतना सरकारान आपल्याक जाय तशें रिजर्वेशन केलां म्हूण याचिकादारांचो आरोप. जाती जमातींचे लोकवस्ती प्रमाण रिजर्वेशनाची निश्चित पॉलिसी ना म्हूण एजीची जाप.
Our response is that it is not arbitrary. It has been in accordance with law. The argument of the petitioners is that you have to reserve only those seats where there is concentration of these reserved category people. Our argument is not possible that way. The reservation has to be by virtue of a rotation. One seat where there may be concentration of particular community, that can never be forever reserved for a particular community. So that will be contrary to the constitutional provision which speaks about rotation. Otherwise what will happen is particular wards where there may be some number of reserved category people, and then the other people in the very same ward will not get any opportunity to contest the election, and the reservation will be restricted to those particular seats only, which will be unconstitutional. That is our argument.
रिजर्वेशनाविशीं आव्हान याचिकांचेर मंगळाराय आर्ग्युमेंट चालू उरतलो. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.